Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Path to Wise. Today we are going to talk about bilingualism. Many parents have asked from me, does it affect with our children and their speech and language development if they talk to their children in two or many languages? The simple answer is no. Actually, you can talk to your children in many languages. That doesn't affect negatively to your child's speech and language development, but you have to be very careful whether your child is developing the speech and language skills at the age typical way or not. If your child's speech and language skills are appropriate for his age, no problem that you can talk to your children in many languages. But if you see that your child is displaying some difficulties or showing some challenges in catching up and using languages up to the age appropriate level, then you have to be a little bit alert and you have to concern, and then you have to make the language environment less complicated. So in such situation, yes, it can affect in negative ways. Otherwise, there's no any harm that you can talk to your children in many languages. Alright, so we'll talk about it in details. When you speak to your children in many languages, that can give ability for your child to learn the both languages in equal pace, and that will help for children to master the language, and that might helpful for them for their education also. In Sri Lanka, I have seen most of the families that parents are talking to children in English language in addition to the native language Sinhala and Tamil. That is totally alright. But you should be sure enough that you can give language exposure equally in both languages. For an example, if you are very strong in Sinhala language, but if you are not too sure about English language, then when you talk to your child in English language, might not be very supportive for your child to learn the language. But if you are sure enough that you can give exposure in both languages in equal way, no problem that you can talk to your children in two languages. And there is another point where you have to be very much alert, that is the sound pronunciation ability. Because in different languages, the way that you produce sounds is quite different. So if you speak English the way that you are speaking in Tamil, or if you speak English the way that you are speaking in Sinhala, then it can give rise for some of pronunciation problems. So you have to be very much alert on that point. When you are talking to your children in two languages, it will be really helpful if you can let your child to understand the difference between two languages. When you say one word in English and if you say the same word in the other language, if you can keep a gap between the two words and if you can let your child to understand it's two different languages, that would be really helpful. Okay, I'll give you an example. Right? You can say when there is a mango, you can say, okay, this is mango, and what we call for this mango in Sinhala is amba. Right? So in that way, if you introduce the two words, child will understand mango and amba is used for the same object but in two different languages. So then in that way, you can make the language environment less complicated, and that will helpful for child to understand the difference between two languages as well as to use the words in two languages in appropriate way. Today we spoke about bilingualism, and I told you there's no harm for you to talk to your children in two languages. But if you have any questions related to this topic, you can always comment below, and I'm more than happy to help you to solve your problems. In addition, if there's any question, you can contact me online You can text me, you can call me using the number given below. Subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. When we are releasing a new video, you will get a notification. Stay tuned. See you soon.